Hey guys, what's up? Ashley here. It's day number 264 of daily vlogging. And it's 9:15 at the nighttime, and I'm leaving for Florida tomorrow, and I haven't packed yet. I've been procrastinating on it all day, basically. I mean, okay, so I did start, but I feel like there's just still so much to do. So like I have clothes in this suitcase here. And then then I have another pile of stuff here. And then I have all these bags that I need to go through and see what I have to take with me. And also, I can't decide if I want to take one suitcase, this suitcase, and my duffel bag and my backpack, or if I want to take two suitcases, both that suitcase and this suitcase, and my backpack and just like a purse. I can't decide because I know that I'll be able to like fit everything in the suitcase and the duffel bag, but my problem is how much 50th anniversary stuff am I gonna buy? I don't know is the correct answer. And I don't know how much space it's gonna take up because like there are 2 mugs that I want for sure, and I don't know what other what clothing items I want. I want them all really, but are they still gonna have anything left? Is it gonna be in my size? I don't know. Do I want the dish towels? I think I do. But like, do I want the puzzle? Yeah, give me that the partner statue puzzle with the castle in the background. I want it. But like, also, do I need to bring all these clothes? Probably not. Am I gonna wear most of them? No. But do I want to have them with me just in case? I sure do. I don't know. I don't know how to consolidate. Like, I am the worst at making decisions, and I like, because like, so like, it's not like, oh, I pack one outfit and this is the outfit that I'm gonna wear on this day. But like, I can't do that. I need to feel how the day is and see what I want to wear that day. I can't decide a week in advance what I want to wear. And like, I have like 3 different outfits in my mind for that I could possibly wear on the 50th anniversary itself, but I don't know which one I'm gonna want to wear that day. So I have to bring all of them. Like, people who pack light, how do you do it? I don't understand. I don't comprehend. But like, I'm also a weirdo because I need to bring 3 towels, and I need to bring my own pillow. And I bring all my own hair supplies. So it's just so much. And also I'm going to be working some days, so I have to bring my computer. So that makes my backpack heavier, and that makes me want to carry less things through the through the airport. You know what I mean? So I'm probably going to bring the 2 rolly bags, and I think that will be fine. I mean, it's not even like I'm going that long. I mean, I am going that long. I'm going so I'm going tomorrow, Sunday, and then I'm flying home on Saturday, but then I'm not coming back here until Sunday because we got O-Town that night. So also, on top of needing multiple outfits for all the days of Disney, I need multiple meet and greet outfits because, like, what if the outfit that you planned you don't like? And you try it on and you put it on and you're just like, oh, I'm not really feeling this outfit today, you know? And like, you don't want to be grumpy all meet and greet, because then like, you're gonna, if you hate your outfit, then you're gonna hate your picture, and like, the picture's the most important part, you know? I think so. So yeah, it's just, it's so stressful. I do this to myself, honestly. I do it to myself, but still, you know, I do my best work under pressure in the middle of the night. So, probably just gonna like go slow, you know, pack a little bit, watch a little television. It will get done. I'm not worried. All right, guys. This is really just me procrastinating right now. So it's gonna be it for me for today. And I'll talk to you tomorrow. Love you. Bye.